All right, so you want to make some extra money, you want to start your home service business, window cleaning business, really whatever business it is, but you don't know how to land clients. You don't know how to get jobs. You don't know how to get bookings on the schedule, get the job done, and get paid. Let me help you with that.
All I know is that I was built for one thing: to live a big, exciting, adventurous life and to inspire people to do the same thing. And we don't do it someday or tomorrow. We start today. We live a fulfilling, exciting, adventurous life in the meantime. So let's start doing the practices that help us move the needle in the direction that we want to go.
I'm Timmy Riggs. I own my own window cleaning business. I do a handful of other things, but when I started my business, I started as a side hustle and I had to figure out how to get jobs. And I'm going to use the warm lead method here to help you get jobs. This is going to sound insanely simple because it is insanely simple. So here's a couple things. We're going to talk about warm leads. Warm leads are literally people that are already familiar with you. In this type of situation, in real life, where you're trying to get paid for a service, it is going to be people that know you or know people that know you, right? So they're going to know your parents or your friends or whatever, right? So we're going to get into it. It's actually going to be a segment from my course. I have a how to start your own window cleaning course or side hustle, right? And this is a clip from it. And that way you can just kind of see what my course layout looks like. This is one of 30 plus videos that I have inside of it. Pretty short, gets straight to the point, teaches you how to actually get jobs. Before we jump into it, two more things. If you're past that and you're like, no, I've got a lot of business, I need help managing all of that, I'm actually a Jobber ambassador. Jobber is a CRM that helps you quote, receive payments, communicate with your customers, and so much more. And so if you need a free trial of that, hit my affiliate link. You get 14 days for free plus 20% off once you get started with it. And then also, if you're looking in general for just business and life guidance, business and life coaching, consultation, I do that as well. I have a premium package and then a couple month programs that you could jump into. And that's going to help you either with a window cleaning business, whatever business you have, and just really lifestyle in general, good habits, good practices, how to make more money, how to manage everything. And you can check that out in my links. But with all that said, let's hop in to the method of actually getting jobs. All right, so let's talk marketing a little bit, and I'm gonna kind of talk about warm marketing, right? A warm lead. And basically, it's this idea of you're just getting started. You want people to know that you are getting into the window cleaning game. And like I have said on my YouTube channel and in other areas, how do you let anyone know that you're doing anything? You talk about it. So start talking about it with people closest to you. So you're gonna start with you, and then you're gonna look at kind of your inner circle, right? This is gonna be relatives, parents, grandparents, maybe a spouse, some of your close friends, someone you know from the gym, someone you know from work, someone that you know from church. You've got your inner circle, right? 5 to 10 people. What you're gonna do is you're gonna tell them, hey, I'm gonna try and get window cleaning jobs. Can you pass the word on? And so then you have them kind of doing the networking for you, but also you could ask them, hey, do you know 5 people that you work with or that you're friends with or that you're members of the country club with, whatever, and can you pass on their information to me? And then what you're able to do is you can reach out to those people with a really simple script. Hey, I'm Timmy. My parents are friends with you. I'm reaching out because I am getting into the window cleaning business and I wanted to see if maybe you would be open for me to come and do a quote at your house soon. If not, do you know anyone who you might be able to pass on information to me, maybe 3 people that you think might be interested in window cleaning, whether it's for their home or business. And then just keep going from there. Keep scaling that. That's going to be your number one kind of stepping into the water, if you will, of trying to market and let people know that you are wanting to clean their windows for money. And then, of course, social media, right? If you have a little bit of a community on social media, friends on Facebook, friends on Instagram, make a post about it. And again, you don't have to be weird. Just say, hey, I'm wanting to make some extra money. I'm wanting to pay off some debt. I'm wanting to start a new business, and I have picked window cleaning. If you're interested in a quote, let me know. Also, if you are willing to share this, that would be really helpful, and I would appreciate it a lot. And just start that way. Don't overcomplicate it. That is the fastest way to just start getting warm leads out there, reaching out, and getting the word of mouth going, because word of mouth is still going to be your number one marketing advantage. All right, that's it. And then just keep that going. You're gonna keep that going forever. I do that now. Once I have a new client, I get their jobs done, and I do a good job and they like me, I try to do the same thing. Hey, who's people that you know? Or I give them gift cards to give away, or I give them rewards for referring other people. You're just gonna literally scale that method, that process. So hope it was helpful. If it was, subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. Be super helpful. In the meantime, here while you're working to get there.